Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. We bring you bold, current momentum. The activist Very Dark Man campaigned for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Grassroots pressure is intensifying. From marketplaces to churches, youth forums to diaspora WhatsApp groups, the demand for Kanu's release is no longer fringe, it's mainstream. Former political elites are stepping in. Retired senators, ex-governors, and traditional leaders are now publicly aligning with the campaign, framing it as a matter of justice, identity, and regional dignity. Cultural symbolism is rising. Kanu is increasingly seen not just as a political figure, but as a symbol of resistance against marginalization in Igbo land. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
Alright, so I see Omoyele Sowore, they organized protests for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and surprisingly, Atiku Abubakar also say we are marching together on the 20th of October. We are marching to Aso Rock to demand the release of Nnamdi Kanu. It has been long overdue, to be very, very honest, because it is pure injustice. Now, in the north, you don't give amnesty and you set up a peace deal with terrorists where enter villages by people. Do you understand? These people where they buy include Nigerian army, Nigerian police, air force, navy, our military men. These people don't buy them. These people are proper mercenaries where get guns. They're involved in kidnapping. They go enter villages, carry young girls from the age of 10 up. From the age of 9, 10 up. They'll pack them, enter inside bush. They'll sleep with those girls. They go knock them forceful entry. Some of them go born inside that bush. Those children now, they'll come raise them again to be terrorists. And at the end of the day, these people who are supposed to buy, when I bring them, give them peace deal, when I give them amnesty. Then on the other hand, there's a guy called Nnamdi Kanu. Well, when I say when I carry for treasonable offense, when I say in the instigate violence, you understand? And you say he said a couple of things, right? But guess what? This one no do what those other ones do, but you keep him for prison. Do you understand? What are you keeping him for? And most of the things you are alleging that he said does not have proof. That is why I never be prosecutor up till now. I still the debate for court for over many years. But this is number one. Number two, you see, a lot of you don't know that this Nnamdi Kanu matter has a lot to do with some politics that is not politics. In what sense? 50% of the people keeping Nnamdi Kanu in detention is actually some of the Igbo elites. Some of the big business Igbo men that don't want him to come out, right? It's not just the government alone. Some of the big business Igbo men, because they see it as, if this guy comes like this, our business is under threat. Because his fights, if this in fights continue, bro, it's going to be a problem for us. I don't know if you understand. That's why you see that the big business Igbo men, they will not put their mouth, they will not lend their voice for Nnamdi Kanu. See him as even their media spaces have been controlled, right, by this elite. You shouldn't talk about Nnamdi Kanu or talk about his release. Do you understand? Now when we say they won't go protest now when I show already. If any Igbo won't try to join, it gets media team where they don't set up. Those media team will just go online, go to right, say they are planning to set the Igbos up so that if they go and protest, they go buy them. They want to reduce the numbers of the Igbos. They want to. That's what you see all over social media. Sowore have been used so that they will draw the Igbos out. Let the government. I will expect that to come soon. The Johanneses. This guy has been in prison for over how many years? Other people will do worse than waiting that they allege them, that they give them peace deal, that they free them, that they go to their house. But this guy man, they for sale. But anyways, 20th is the date. Oh no, the Nigeria. 20th is the date. For me personally, what am I trying to say? From my own angle, right? It's simple. It's injustice against him. If you are giving people peace deal, for people who do bigger crimes, he deserves a peace deal as well. Yes, leave him alone. Free him. Let him go back to his people. It's as easy as ABCD. Free him. So, I'm not gonna go. Anyways, peace and love. Don't play. Just play, go and learn. You will learn the hard way.
Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. The post shares a video of Nigerian activist VDM endorsing the October 20th, 2025, #Free Nnamdi Kanu Now protest at Aso Rock, organized by Omoyele Sowore, to demand the release of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu after over 4 years of detention without conviction. In the video, VDM contrasts Kanu's treatment for non-violent agitation with government amnesties granted to northern bandits responsible for kidnappings and rapes, calling it systemic injustice and urging a similar peace deal for Kanu. VDM alleges that Igbo business elites actively suppress support for Kanu's release to safeguard their economic interests, fueling online debates about internal complicity and boosting the hashtag's trend with endorsements from groups like Yoruba Group. Afenifere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.